Queen of Green is transforming the United Arab Emirates into the first global green country in the world. But the challenges for this transformation are great and varied and not obvious to the eye. As I've done the development work over the last 2 years, it's clear to see that if people do not understand that they're wasting anything because they do not pay the electricity bill themselves or their employers pay for their electricity, it's very difficult for people to understand then the concept of conservation. So the 7 rulers have looked and asked, what do we need to do in order to accelerate the speed of the country going green? And that's a really critical question to ask, because what we need to do is to teach people how to go green. So we have to first of all transfer the knowledge of what a green process really is. It's not just about changing the light bulbs or conserving some water. It's a 14-point process where every single resource used in operating a building is reviewed. Now, the other reason that it's vital to accelerate the green process in UAE is that when the grid was built in 1971, it was only built for 22% of the current population. So as each new building is added very, very fast, the sustainability of the grid gets weaker and weaker. Now, across summer 2010, we have seen power outages in Sharjah. From 4 to 14 hours, people have been without power for their homes. This has had an impact on health, on energy security, on economic costs to the Emirate of Sharjah. In Ras Al Khaimah, there's one whole free zone without energy at all. And in Ajman, some of the factories are struggling to have enough power to run their businesses. So it's really critical now that we accelerate both the scale and the speed of UAE going green. And to do that, we have chosen to transform 70 buildings across the 7 Emirates so that each building can tell a story. Each building can show how it's possible to go from an energy consumer to an energy generator in a 14-step program. As we green each building, we're filming that, and the Department of Environment and the Department of Education will send that out, will distribute it to all the people in those sectors. It's vital that as we transfer the knowledge, the processes, and the green technologies, that everyone in the UAE gets involved in the program. This will be the first mass collaboration program in United Arab Emirates, and a lot of the children and students and employees of the companies are really looking forward to being part of the solution. So UAE going green, acceleration, speed, scale, these are the key words. These are the things that we have to focus on, because this country is going to be the first global green country of the world and lead the world into show what green and sustainability really is and really means to the country.